Na. Good morning.
Hi guys. Sabi mo, hi guys.
Saan ko kaya binaon yung suka ko kagabi po? Ako na lang natira.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some.
Meron kami nakuha guys! Ate, bakit to?
Sige. Punta tayo sa... Uwi na tayo kay Tay. Merong ano dito, tinatawag na sandbar.
Sandbar
Uy, doon dami ano.
Dami?
Ayun, ano yan eh. Alimango.
Eh?
Oo. Ayun, may mga dot na yan. Lumubog na sila dyan, ibig sabihin, nagtago na sila.
Ha?
So, yun, nandun yung tent namin, ang layo na.
Nandun pa yung dami, ang layo.
Merong sandbar na ano.
Ay, gago pa.
Filipe.
Gago.
Uy, gago, may sinaunang tao pa. Oh. Gago.
Ay, gago.
Nagamit nilang ano.
Pangat. Ay, ayan ta.
Ay, gago, ang sarap. Dapat mo na siya.
Ayun pa yan ta.
Dapat mo na.
kayo dyan.
Ang gagi sa ulit dito. Ganda. Para ka ng ano.
Pwede yata sa people yun.
Gago, stig.
Pati yan, nabigat ko.
Oo. Pag may babak mo. Parang si Tora, no? Yeah! Uy! Ano kayong gagawin dito? Magiging ano siya, dinedevelop pa lang kasi siya. So, ito yung magiging maganda siguro kasi hanggang dito is maganda yung ano, yung buhangin. Kung mag-high tide man to, maganda pa rin, no? Layo. Solid. Maganda yon. So, tamang picturean muna.
Tamang picture yun. Picture mo mamaya sa mga katabang profile.
Ubad kapi, tapos lakaganto ka. Gano'n na. Dali. Yung profile.
Ba't may mahuli ba dun?
Oo.
Oo, dami dun nga lang. Lalaki dun yun.
Boss Peram! Thank you. So yan, nagbibideo sila doon. Dito tayo. Ay, tamang picture sila doon. Sila pamilyang Books kaka si Og Pam daw. So, dito tayo.
Huli na ako. Dito ka mahulog sa
Hindi yun. Gusto kong lumbog. Magbabaw.
Yes, bang init.
Nakaset na to, Beb. Pindot lang.
Mainit na yun, guys. Yun, ayun yung nakakasama ko.
Sige, maganda. Sige, pasok.
Ay, mga
Baliktad lang, baliktad.
ayun pa.
Baliktarin ko lang. Pindot lang. Kamay.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Ano ba yung nilagay mo, Ken? Naku, umiyak na. Wala yung saan mo nilagay? Kanan kaliwa. Tara dito, hanapin natin. Ken! Ito. Ito. Tingnan mo. Tara. Ito nga, oh. Kunin mo. Ay, pamaniwala. Ah, Sky, ikaw nga, bigay mo kay ate. Ayun ang shades nyo. Yan. Ano, bigay mo kay ate. Oh, di ba? Oh, isuot mo na, isuot mo na. Sa ulo. Puntahan natin sila. Ulit dito, walang katao-tao kami lang. Hindi lang isang resort yung solo namin. Isang straight doon ka lang. Ulit dito. Alaway lang muna ako.
Nagagalis yung ano niya.
Ako. Sige! Sobrang laki!
Hawak.
Sobrang laki!
Hawak. Sige. Meron ba? Hawak.
Sobrang laki!
Hawakan mo yan.
Masakit! To! Hindi ako makagalaw!
Papakawalan natin yung nahuli natin. Kuno may maliit din.
Wala yan.
Hawak. Dito. Baba mo lang.
Hey, hawakan mo ganito. Ganito hawak. Yan,
May picture na.
yung picture kayo. Yan, dali, baba. Hawak niyo, pakita niyo sa camera.
Ayun na.
Ayan, picture na.
Tingin.
Tanggalin mo nga.
1, 2, sige, sama ka.
Teka lang.
Krishna!
Picture na. Doon, tanggalin mo doon.
Tingin. 1, 2, 3.
Loy! Tingin kay mami.
Loy, lapit doon.
Lapit doon, dito. Lapit ka dito kay kuya. Pakita mo, ganun.
Nanghuli na.
Loy, Sky, ka dito.
Krishna!
Tingnan.
Okay, bato mo na. Boom. Oh, bato. Age. Hey. Okay, ka naman, Pi.
Hindi ko kaya. Ako, ata. Sige!
Ah.
Sige! Sige!
So, si Chow Chow muna.
Alis ka! Kayo, Jopi!
Okay. Wait lang. Hindi, back tie. Yan. Yun o. Oo nga no, konti na lang.
Kumain!
Oh, ikaw.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the